The jet engine was created in 1930 by Hans von Ohain and Frank Whittle. The creator Whittle, who registered a patent for the turbo engine in 1930, received the recognition but did not perform a flight test until 1941. He had designed and produced this in Rostock, Germany. Ohain was born on December 14th, 1911, in Dusson, Germany. It wasn't until 1941 when the jet engine was first tested. The jet engine in 150 BC first practical use was in the 13th century with the invention of the firework. 1633, Ohain used cone-shaped with jet propulsion, then glided down with wings. The rocket boosters only had a one-time use. Between 16 and World War II, experimented with hybrid engines. Examples include air-liquid rotary engines. Whittle began the invention of the turbine concept. The first test was on April 1937. The engine was known as W1, and on July 7th, 1939, received a contract for Home to install it in something. The engine was put in a small aircraft called the Pioneer. Hans von Ohain had the same idea, but was in Germany and didn't know about Frank. He patented the jet propulsion design in 1934. First successful test was September 1937. Ohain and Frank Whittle had the first jet engine plane in August 27, 1939, named the Heinkel 178. He provided the jet engine, and it was known as the S-8A. Then later, there were more and more engine types like the turbo jet, turboprop jet, turbofan jet, and turboshaft engines. The jet engine was used to help fly planes in World War II. This was also happening during the Wall Street crash, the Great Depression, Dust Bowl, Hoover Dam, and the Hindenburg explosions. While science, technology, and engineering were advancing, the jet engine was too. The more research this jet engine, we could spend planes higher and higher with each advancement we did. The advancement of the jet engine made a huge advancement in transportation. It made it so much easier to travel from place to place over long distances. The passenger plane only had enough lift and space to have one person to modify the plane that holds 853 passengers today. This revolutionized air travel. Jets helped with some advancement in space exploration as well. It helped grow military power as well too. They started making jets go faster and further, making bombs and dogfights faster and more technical. They designed the engines to endure more force than first imagines and push fluid into the engine so it doesn't strive and make jets fall out of the sky during stunts or maneuvering while in a firefight. Jet engines have made a leap and bound since the first one, and it will continue doing till the Earth is gone. This is the stock Shockwave. This is a custom-built truck equipped with three huge J34-48 Pratt and Whitney jet engines. They got this engine originally out of a U.S. Navy T-2 Buckeye airplane. The three-jet engine generated 21,000 pounds of thrust, which easily propels the truck up to speeds over 350 miles per hour while racing an airplane down the runway. The truck holds the record speed for semi-trucks at 376 miles per hour. The jet engines were a great invention and revolutionized flying for the better.